Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Tutor Pratik. Today we are going to learn about fonts in HTML. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell button that you can be notified when a new video arrives. Now let's start today's session. When you need to change the font name and font color and font sizes for any text in HTML, we can use font tag in HTML. We have default font for our text in our HTML web page. But when you want to change the different font for the text on your web page, we can use the font tag. Let's try for this sentence. We can use this font tag to apply the different font for this sentence. I enclose this text by this font tag, and on this font tag I add an attribute called face, and on value of this attribute face we give the font name. For example, for making impact as a font name for this sentence, we can give the value the font name impact for this face attribute of font tag. Now save it and let's check it in our browser. We can see the text we applied for a font impact has applied to this sentence. Similarly, if you want to make a font size little bit bigger or smaller, we can give the font size on this font tag too. For this, just add the attribute size and give the font size. I'm going to give 25 as a font size. Let's check it in our browser. We can see the size of this sentence has increased. Similarly, if you want to make the font size smaller, just change the font size value to lower. Like this, I'm going to give just 2 for the font size. Now we can see the font size has reduced. And also, by using the font tag, we can change the color of the text where you want. Just add a color attribute and give the value for a color name, red, and let's make little bit bigger font size and save it, and let's check it in our browser. Now we have red colored big size text in our web page. Similarly, you can change the font size, color and font names for any text or text blocks by enclosing that text or text blocks by the font tag. And also on our face attribute, we can add more than one font by adding it in the value of the face attribute using comma separator. The advantages of using these multiple font names is whenever there is the given fonts are not available in the system, it will go to the second one. And similarly, if the second font also is not available in the system, it goes to the third one. In this way, we can use this font tag wherever we want. For a one single sentence or a paragraph, just enclose the text or text blocks by the font tag. That's all for today. We will come back soon with new interesting and informative videos. Until then, take care. Goodbye.